Let's consider two sets. Set X that has names of the students studying Chinese and set G that has all the names of the students studying German. The union of these two sets means taking the names of the students in set X and taking the names of the students in the set G. So union means a set of students studying Chinese or German or studying both. However, we do not write an element more than once. So, the duplicate or overlapping names are written only once. Let's understand union using Venn diagrams. X union G means name of the students who study Chinese and students who study German. The student C and the student D study Chinese as well as German. That is, they are common to both the sets. So this is how we represent the union of sets using a Venn diagram. Now let's see what is intersection. The intersection of sets means those elements that are common to both the sets. That is, elements that are in set X as well as in set G. The elements common to both the sets are C and D. So intersection here means children who study both German and Chinese. In the Venn diagram, the common or the overlapping part represents the intersection of the sets.